Yeah, with the solar panel cameras, we have only one that can work. That's a standalone. You can connect only one, and then you use your mobile phone to connect to it so that you can view it wherever you are, being at home or office, or even where far away that you have traveled. You can use this to access the camera. Then someone want to have more than one solar panel, so solar panel camera. Then how do you use it? Well, don't worry. We have a set here that you can use the set. This set comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sets at a time, and you can also have it on the monitor. That comes with it. That is a set, having a monitor here. Or you can connect it to your TV. But we recommend that we have to connect to the set, separate it all the time. Yeah, so this is the set we have in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can connect the 4 together. We are having also 8. So you can have 8 together also. Now, with each camera, the storage system here, we can put in SD card to store the images. This is it, okay? The SD card.
Yeah, this position for put the SD card. You can record into the camera.
Okay, and you can also record it on your phone by buying clouds. You can have that. And then we have the storage here. If you want all the 4 cameras images, because the volume of data will be more, so you have to buy option. This is option hard disk drive here that you can fit into the monitor. This is option. We recommend you have to also get an option here, open here, and then fix the hard disk inside here. So this is the set that we are having here. Thank you.